Sure, again, I will be presenting the project prints. Lighthouse Restoration Project, this specific agenda item is regarding the tower, Lighthouse Tower, which is at the north end of the island. As you all know, Lighthouse Tower is in need of repair. In 2011, RIOC procured Thomas A. Fenneman Architects to create an existing conditions analysis. Since then, it's been 8 years. There's been a lot of hurricanes and natural flooding issues in that area. So RIOC, again, last year brought on board Thomas A. Fenneman Architects through this board approval to create another analysis, and I should say add analysis to the existing. From that, since they have already done the existing conditions analysis, RIOC procured or moved to procure Thomas A. Fenneman Architects as the renovation architect and provide construction administration for this project. That proposal or that memo was submitted to the board last year, September 25th, board meeting. That board memo had unfortunately some incorrect dollar amounts. So this contract was never put in place at that time with Thomas Fenneman. So here I am again today to present the same board memo with updates and ask for a approval to go into contract with Thomas A. Fenneman for the design of the renovation and construction.
What was wrong? What was the mistake in the board memo?
The dollar values for the construction admin phase were incorrect. They were about 40. I think they were about $10,000. There was a delta of $10,000. So previously it was $10,000 less. So now it's all correct.
Move it.